Hello friends, welcome to another So Fontsy tutorial. I'm Lindsay. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video where we are doing something really fun with sublimation. So with sublimation, that allows you to print and transfer images onto surfaces that have a high polyester count and that are light colored. So like 100% polyester white t-shirt. But what if you have a surface that is made of cotton or is dark colored? Well, there's a little bit of a workaround to get your sublimated image onto it. You actually sublimate onto white glitter HTV, and it's really cool. We'll be showing you how to do that. So the supplies that you'll need to make this project are a sublimation printer. So we are using the Sawgrass SG1000. You'll need a heat press and something to sublimate onto. So this is a cotton canvas pencil pouch, some white glitter HTV, and then an image to transfer. So the image that I'm going to be using is a beautiful pumpkin with a sunflower on it, and it comes from the September 2021 bundle over at So Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description to check that out, and then we'll go ahead and get started. And we'll first start out in our design software. This is Silhouette Studio, but you can use any program that you like. And I have the SVG file open here. And I'm first going to print out the mirrored design onto sublimation paper. And then I'm going to cut out the image, the outline of the image in white glitter HTV. So do be sure to remember to mirror your images before printing and cutting the HTV. And then after cutting, you do need to weed out the excess around it. After printing the image, you're going to want to cut around that, which you can do with scissors, or you could set it up for your cutting machine to do that. But what you'll end up with is then glitter HTV in the outline of your design, and then a printed image that you've cut out from the sublimation paper. And then you're going to head over to your heat press. This is a StarCraft heat press, which is warming up to first press our glitter HTV. So the first step is we're going to press the glitter HTV like you normally would onto the surface. Now I'm going to be pressing onto this like bag pouch, and I'm actually going to put a piece of parchment paper inside to separate the front and the back. And this pouch, has a zipper at the top, so I'm going to hang that off of the edge of the heat press so that it doesn't get in my way. But then just go ahead and press the glitter HTV like normal. Then, remove the carrier sheet. You'll need to increase the temperature of your heat press for sublimation. So I'm going to increase it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While my heat press is heating up, I'm going to take the printed image and align it onto the pressed white glitter HTV. And then to hold it in place, you can use a couple pieces of heat-resistant tape. And then once that heat press is all warmed up, for sublimation, go ahead and press the print. So I'm pressing for 60 seconds. And then this part is my favorite. I love it when you're done pressing. It's going to be really hot, so be careful. But peel off that sublimation print from the glitter HTV and look at that. It's so cool, and it's just beautifully colorful and sparkly. I just absolutely love this sunflower pumpkin. It's super, super, super cute, and it was that easy, my friends. One last thing that I do want to note, so you can avoid my mistakes, is I first did this project on these super cute little bags, which I have heat pressed on before, but with Caesar Easy Weed at 305 degrees Fahrenheit, and they were fine. And then when I applied the glitter HTV to them, they seemed to do fine as well. But after the sublimation, the bags were totally melted. So just make sure that whatever you're going to be pressing onto, that it can withstand that high heat needed for sublimation, which is like 400 degrees.
So there you have it, my friends, sublimating onto white glitter HTV. Opens up a whole new world of possibilities for getting sublimated images onto surfaces that you previously may have thought you could not get a sublimated image onto. So check out that September 2021 bundle over at Fontsy to pick up the sunflower pumpkin image that I used in the project, plus lots of other beautiful designs and fonts. And the link is in the video description to check that out. So thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.